In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Perplexity as your default search engine. Let's begin by opening Chrome. This is the web browser where you'll make the changes. If it's already open, great. Otherwise, just find the Chrome icon and click on it. Next, once you have Chrome open, navigate to the settings. You can do this by clicking on the three vertical dots located in the upper right corner of your browser window. This menu houses many important tools, but today we're focusing on the settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Search Engine. It's usually on the left side, among other options. This step is crucial because this is where you'll manage how Chrome finds information on the web. From there, click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This is the area where you can see all the search engines currently available and add new ones. This is important because having the right search engine can greatly enhance your browsing efficiency. After you've opened the Manage Search Engines section, look for the Add button. This button allows you to introduce a new search engine to your list. Click on it to proceed with adding Perplexity. Now let's fill in the details. For the name field, type in Perplexity. This is just for your reference, so you recognize it in your list of search engines later. In the shortcut field, type Perplexity. This shortcut will allow you to quickly switch to using Perplexity from your address bar. It's a small step that saves you time in the long run. In the URL field, enter https://www.perplexity.ai. Ensure you type it correctly, as this URL directs your searches to Perplexity. Incorrect URLs will mean the search engine won't work as expected. Once you have all these details filled out, click Add. This action will add Perplexity to your list of available search engines. With that ready, scroll through your list to find Perplexity. This list may have several entries, so take your time to locate it. It's important to ensure you've selected the correct one to avoid any future confusion. Finally, click Set as Default next to Perplexity. This step makes Perplexity your go-to search engine whenever you search directly from the address bar. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that Perplexity is now set as your default. Congratulations! You've successfully set Perplexity as your default search engine in Chrome. This change means that every time you search, you'll enjoy the unique features that Perplexity offers. Remember, you can always return to these settings to make adjustments if needed. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Enjoy your enhanced browsing experience with Perplexity.